Story title: White House implements AI regulations in record time. In a significant move towards regulating the use of artificial intelligence, the White House has announced the steps taken by the Biden administration under the president's executive order signed in October. The order, which imposed new requirements on AI tech developers to manage and mitigate the risks associated with AI, represents some of the strongest government guardrails to date on machine learning technology. Over the past 180 days, the Department of Homeland Security, Department of Energy, and Office of Science and Technology Policy have been involved in establishing a framework to prevent the misuse of AI for engineering dangerous biological materials. The administration has also called for expanding international standards on AI and releasing draft documents for managing generative AI risk for public comment. Agencies have also developed AI safety and security guidelines and launched the first AI Safety and Security Board to advise Homeland Security on potential issues. Biden's executive order took steps to mitigate worker, consumer, and civil rights risks posed by AI to ensure that AI's development and deployment benefits all Americans. The Labor Department has released guidelines to assist federal contractors and employers in complying with worker protection laws as they deploy AI in the workplace. The Equal Employment Opportunity Commission also released resources for job seekers, employees, and tech vendors about AI and potential employment discrimination and AI's non-discriminatory use in the housing sector. In February, the Commerce Department named Elizabeth Kelly, who the White House identified as a driving force behind the AI executive order, to lead the newly created AI Safety Institute. These efforts reflect the administration's commitment to ensuring that AI's development and deployment benefits all Americans and aligns with the principles of safety, transparency, and accountability. Sources: www.upi.com. _news, US, the 29th of April 2024, AI Guidelines Executive Orders, 9,421,714,395,326, greater than story title: Exploring Copilot Workspace, GitHub's innovative AI-powered tool for software engineering. GitHub, the popular code hosting platform, has unveiled Copilot Workspace, an innovative new tool that leverages AI to assist developers in software engineering. The tool utilizes what GitHub refers to as Copilot-powered agents to help developers brainstorm, plan, build, test, and run code in natural language. Copilot Workspace builds on the capabilities of Copilot Chat, which allows developers to ask questions about code in natural language. The new tool is designed to help developers at the inception of an idea or task, reducing the activation energy needed to begin and collaborating with them on making the necessary edits across the entire codebase. Copilot Workspace is optimized for a range of devices, including mobile, and is currently in technical preview. The tool is underpinned by OpenAI's GPT-4 Turbo model and can build a plan to squash bugs or implement new features in a codebase. Developers get suggested code for the bug fix or new feature, along with a list of the things they need to validate and test that code. The suggested code can be run directly in Workspace and shared among team members via an external link. Copilot Workspace is designed to reduce the complexity of software engineering, enabling developers to express their creativity and explore more freely. The tool's primary goal is to leverage AI to reduce complexity so that developers can focus on creating and exploring new ideas. However, the use of AI in software engineering has raised concerns about the introduction of mistaken code being pushed to codebases and the amplification of existing bugs and security issues. GitHub has implemented an AI-based vulnerability prevention system to try to block insecure code, but developers who accept suggestions from AI-powered coding assistants tend to produce less secure code. Despite these concerns, the use of AI in software engineering is on the rise. In a Stack Overflow poll from June 2023, 44% of developers said that they use AI tools in the development process, and 26% plan to soon. Gartner predicts that 75% of enterprise software engineers will employ AI code assistants by 2028. Copilot Workspace is an exciting new tool that has the potential to revolutionize the way developers approach software engineering. However, it remains to be seen whether the tool will be able to address the existential issues surrounding AI-generated code. Only time will tell whether Copilot Workspace will be able to deliver on its promise to reduce complexity and enable developers to express their creativity and explore more freely. Source: TechCrunch.com. Story title: Exploring iOS 18's AI Advances, ChatGPT Potential for iPhone, BGR. The world of artificial intelligence is rapidly evolving, and Apple is not one to be left behind. According to recent reports, Apple is set to introduce generative AI features in its upcoming iOS 18 release. While Apple has yet to confirm these rumors, it is widely believed that the tech giant will partner with third-party providers to offer cloud-based AI features. According to Bloomberg's Mark Gurman, Apple has reopened talks with OpenAI for potential access to its popular chatbot, ChatGPT. This move is seen as Apple's attempt to integrate AI across iOS 18, rather than simply pasting AI elements on top of existing apps. However, it is important to note that Apple is not planning to release its own ChatGPT-style chatbot. The integration of ChatGPT in iOS 18 could offer a deeper integration than the current standalone app. With ChatGPT, users can hold conversations on various topics, making it a more interactive experience than other generative AI features such as text generation, article summarization, and recapping missed notifications. While Google's Gemini is also a potential option for Apple, many believe that ChatGPT would be a better fit for the iPhone. For one, Apple users are already familiar with ChatGPT and its capabilities, making it an easier transition for users. Additionally, Apple's focus on privacy and security aligns well with OpenAI's privacy features for ChatGPT. Of course, it remains to be seen whether Apple will choose ChatGPT or Gemini for its cloud-based AI features. Apple executives are reportedly concerned about whether iPhone users will take advantage of the new features. Nevertheless, the integration of generative AI features in iOS 18 is an exciting development that could revolutionize the way we interact with our iPhones. At this year's Worldwide Developers Conference, WWDC, Apple is expected to share more details about the generative AI features coming to iOS 18. It will be interesting to see whether Apple will invite OpenAI or Google executives to announce an AI partnership for the iPhone. In conclusion, the integration of generative AI features in iOS 18 is a significant development for Apple users. While the choice between ChatGPT and Gemini remains to be seen, one thing is clear: Apple is committed to offering its users the best and most innovative technology available. Source: BGR.com. Story title: Join GitHub's experiment with cutting-edge AI bot for coding support. GitHub, the world's largest developer community, is enlisting users to trial its new Copilot Workspace, a groundbreaking solution powered by generative artificial intelligence, Gen I, bot Copilot. The new application allows users with basic understanding of software development to tap plain language for the whole workflow of developing code. With tasks like project descriptions or bug reports, Copilot Workspace generates step-by-step plans complete with code, tests, and documentation. GitHub CEO Thomas Dohmke expects the application to further raise developer productivity while lowering barriers to software creation. Copilot Workspace is the culmination of GitHub Copilot, which started as an autocomplete code helper in 2022 and upskilled to a chatty real-time assistant called GitHub Copilot Chat in 2023. The new application is expected to streamline cross-economy collaboration, particularly in Singapore, which has the fastest-growing GitHub community in Asia-Pacific, expanding 39% in the 12 months to September. GitHub has 1.1 million users in Singapore, and the community is the fastest-growing in Asia-Pacific, expanding 39% in the 12 months to September, beating even India, which is expected to overtake the United States as the country with the biggest community of software creators by 2027. Mr. Jonathan Carter, head of GitHub Next, said, "Singaporean developers collaborate quite frequently with developers in the US, Hong Kong and China, so it'll be interesting to see how they use Copilot Workspace to streamline cross-economy collaboration." Those who sign up will join the rest of the global users to determine Copilot Workspace's pricing and capabilities. Enlistment is free and a waitlist can be accessed on its project page. Microsoft, which acquired GitHub in 2018, is moving to monetize the open-source platform with products such as Copilot, developed with OpenAI. As at its latest quarter ending March 2024, GitHub had 1.8 million paid subscribers, a 35% growth over the previous 3 months. Reviews for GitHub's Copilot have been good. A standout complaint was fear of it leading to poorer problem-solving skills and overdependence on automated suggestions among developers, especially the beginners. In October 2023, when the firm offered a sneak preview at its annual conference, Copilot Workspace could find and fix its own errors. However, the autofix feature was killed after conducting more research on developer sentiment around AI agency. What we realized after conducting more research on developer sentiment around AI agency is that they didn't want that autofix feature just yet, said Mr. Carter. Source: www.straitstimes.com. Story title: Exploring the Top School District in Colorado Springs. In a pioneering move to revolutionize the educational landscape, one of the largest school districts in the Colorado Springs area has embarked on an exciting journey with artificial intelligence, AI. District 11 is one of 12 schools across the country participating in the beta testing of PowerSchool's AI assistant program, PowerBuddy. This groundbreaking initiative aims to empower teachers and students alike, enhancing personalized learning while maintaining the human touch that is crucial in education. The integration of PowerBuddy into the school district's system is designed to aid teachers in tailoring educational materials to suit individual students' needs, thereby saving valuable time. Sarah Connors, District 11's School Management System Program Manager, emphasized the significance of the time-saving aspect, stating, "From not having to create their own materials to being able to have AI guide them in creating their materials." The AI program was first introduced to District 11 in October 2023, with 3 to 4 teachers initially using PowerBuddy in their classrooms. The feedback and input from these teachers have been instrumental in improving the AI system. The beauty of PowerBuddy lies in its ability to create customized questions for students based on different grades, reading levels, and personal interests. For instance, if a student is interested in volleyball, a teacher can input keywords related to the sport, and the AI will generate relevant questions. This personalized approach can significantly enhance student engagement and learning. PowerBuddy also assists students who are stuck on questions, guiding them through other questions to foster critical thinking and learning opportunities without providing direct answers. Brent Urban, a Spanish teacher at Coronado High School, has been using PowerBuddy in his classroom and has expressed enthusiasm about the experience. He mentioned that the AI assistant's ability to provide immediate feedback to all students is invaluable, overcoming the barrier of time constraints that often hinder personalized feedback. While there may be apprehensions about AI in education, Connors emphasized the importance of understanding and embracing the role of AI in the classroom. She stated, "AI is here, and it's not going away. Parents need to understand the access the kids are going to have to AI and really be on top of what their kids are using AI for." As District 11 continues its beta testing, the program has been released to the public, although the school district has not yet purchased it. The district remains committed to improving the AI assistant through its participation in the beta testing phase. This exciting development in District 11 underscores the potential of AI in transforming education, providing teachers with powerful tools to create personalized learning experiences while maintaining the irreplaceable human connection in the classroom. Source: www.kktv.com. Story title: Revolutionizing Mental Health Care, AI Applications in Treatment. Artificial intelligence, AI, is revolutionizing the mental health industry, providing innovative solutions to address the growing demand for mental health services. With a significant shortage of mental health care providers in the US, AI-powered digital therapeutics are emerging as a vital component in addressing this gap. These digital tools offer personalized treatment plans and continuous monitoring for individuals with conditions such as depression, addiction, migraines, and obesity. One such company, Click Therapeutics, harnesses AI technology through a mobile app that collects and analyzes patient data to provide tailored treatment strategies. The app uses digital biomarkers such as smartphone sensors to monitor a patient's heart rate, sleep patterns, and other health indicators, offering mindfulness exercises, relaxation techniques, or cognitive behavioral therapy modules in response. Click Therapeutics software has shown promising results in treating various conditions, and the company recently announced a partnership with the Food and Drug Administration to expedite the development of its software for treating schizophrenia. Preliminary studies suggest significant benefits for patients using digital therapeutics in managing their schizophrenia symptoms. Another AI-driven tool, Listen, focuses on improving mental health care services by providing on-demand training modules and evaluating therapy sessions for mental health care providers. By analyzing speech patterns and tone from both parties, Listen offers insights on effective communication strategies and areas for improvement. This helps providers stay accountable for the quality of care, especially in light of the countrywide shortage of mental health workers and the highly variable quality of mental health care. However, the use of AI in mental health also raises ethical and privacy concerns. AI algorithms can perpetuate biases and stereotypes from the data they are trained on. Companies like Listen are addressing these issues by creating detailed annual reports evaluating their training and quality assurance models' performance for historically marginalized communities. Additionally, strict compliance regulations are necessary to protect patient privacy and confidentiality. As AI continues to play a more significant role in mental health care, mental health professionals must use AI ethically and responsibly, ensuring human-led regulation and addressing potential biases while maintaining patient privacy and confidentiality. URL: www.businessinsider.com. Op=1 greater than story title: Unveiling the risks of the ultra-precise AI death calculator. A new AI-powered death calculator, Life2Vec, has been making headlines for its uncanny ability to predict a person's life expectancy with 78% accuracy. However, its creators have issued a warning about fraudulent websites that are masquerading as the original tool and are trying to steal users' personal information. These copycat determinator apps are a cause for concern, as they can infect devices with malware and commandeer sensitive data such as email addresses, phone numbers, and credit card details. Life2Vec is a tool that uses ChatGPT technology to predict when a person will die based on select details from their life, including income, profession, residence, and health history. The software is currently not available to the general public or corporations, but that hasn't stopped opportunists from trying to cash in on the morbid prognosticator. Sunay Lehman, the lead author of a study on Life2Vec, explained that the model can predict almost anything, including whether a person will become rich. The tool was tested on a heterogeneous subject population of 6 million Danish people, and it was able to accurately predict who would likely live for at least 4 years beyond January 1, 2016. While Life2Vec's accuracy is impressive, its creators stress that the tool is not meant to satisfy morbid curiosity but rather to understand what is possible and not possible to predict. They emphasize that none of the study participants were provided with their death predictions. Despite the warning from Life2Vec's creators, there are still many people who are curious about the tool and are willing to take the risk of using fraudulent websites. These copycat apps can be dangerous, as they can infect devices with malware and steal sensitive information. In conclusion, while Life2Vec may be an impressive tool, it's important to be cautious when using any AI-powered death calculator. The fraudulent websites that are masquerading as the original tool are a cause for concern, and users should be wary of providing any personal information. It's always best to use trusted sources and to be mindful of the potential risks associated with AI-powered tools. Source: nypost.com. Story title: Unlocking the CFO's Strategic Influence in the Era of Generation I. In a world where artificial intelligence, AI, is transforming industries and societies at an unprecedented pace, the role of the Chief Financial Officer, CFO, has never been more critical. As we enter the next industrial revolution, characterized by humans and AI-powered technology working hand in hand, CFOs must navigate the complexities and opportunities that generative AI presents. The latest advancements in automation and AI are revolutionizing the way we work and live, with experts believing we have entered the fourth or fifth industrial revolution, depending on who you ask. This new era is set to transform industries and societies, with humans and AI-powered technology working collaboratively. So, what does this mean for CFOs? As AI continues to evolve, CFOs must stay ahead of the curve and embrace the opportunities that generative AI presents. According to Tom Hood, Executive Vice President of Business Engagement and Growth at AICPA CIMA, AI evolves for CFOs and accountants, delivering genuine business value to the CFO organization after all the hype has been subtracted. Generative AI is a type of AI that can create new content, such as text, images, or music, by learning from existing data. This technology has the potential to revolutionize the way CFOs work, from automating repetitive tasks to providing real-time insights into financial data. However, with great power comes great responsibility. CFOs must ensure that they are using AI ethically and responsibly, avoiding responsibility creep, or the addition of more work in the same time frame for no extra money. As Hood notes, responsibility or job creep comes in several forms, but they all add up to the same thing: more work in the same time frame for no extra money. CFOs must also be aware of the potential risks associated with AI, such as data privacy and security concerns. By staying informed and educated on the latest advancements in AI, CFOs can mitigate these risks and ensure that their organizations are using AI in a way that is both ethical and effective. As we enter this new era of industrial revolution, CFOs must embrace the opportunities that generative AI presents. By staying ahead of the curve and using AI responsibly, CFOs can drive innovation, increase efficiency, and provide real-time insights into financial data. In conclusion, the role of the CFO in navigating the Gen AI transformation is more important than ever. By staying informed and educated on the latest advancements in AI, CFOs can drive innovation, increase efficiency, and provide real-time insights into financial data. With great power comes great responsibility, and CFOs must ensure that they are using AI ethically and responsibly, avoiding responsibility creep, and mitigating potential risks associated with AI. Sources. Story title: The CFO's Role in Navigating Gen AI Transformation. Author: Tom Hood. URL: www.accountingtoday.com. Story title: Top tech CEOs Satya Nadella and Sundar Pichai to join US board. Exciting news ahead. In a groundbreaking move, Microsoft CEO Satya Nadella and Alphabet CEO Sundar Pichai are among 22 top executives who will join an advisory board in the US, focusing on the risks and challenges posed by artificial intelligence, AI, to critical infrastructure. The board, which includes industry leaders such as OpenAI CEO Sam Altman, NVIDIA CEO Jensen Huang, and IBM CEO Arvind Krishna, aims to develop recommendations to protect critical services like power grids, airports, and transportation from AI-related disruptions. The AI Advisory Board, established by the Department of Homeland Security, DHS, will focus on practical solutions to implement AI in daily life, addressing concerns related to public health, safety, and national or economic security. The board's mission is to help DHS stay ahead of evolving threats from hostile nation-state actors and ensure that AI technology is used responsibly and ethically. Other notable members of the advisory board include Dario Amodei, CEO of Anthropic, Shantanu Narayen, CEO of Adobe, Chuck Robbins, CEO of Cisco, Adam Selipsky, CEO of Amazon Web Services, Lisa Su, CEO of Advanced Micro Devices, Ed Bastian, CEO of Delta Airlines, Vicky Holub, CEO of Occidental Petroleum, Kathy Warden, CEO of Northrop Grumman, Wes Moore, Governor of Maryland, and Bruce Harrell, Mayor of Seattle. This high-profile, diverse group of CEOs brings a wealth of knowledge and experience in AI development, cybersecurity, and infrastructure management, positioning the board to effectively address complex issues related to AI risks. As the influence and capabilities of AI continue to grow, the formation of this advisory board represents a significant step towards ensuring the safe and responsible integration of AI technology in critical sectors. Sources: www.hindustantimes.com, www.hindustantimes.com. Story title: Unveiling the Menace of AI-Generated Deepfakes in Education. In a shocking incident that highlights the alarming potential of deepfake technology, a Maryland high school principal was recently the victim of a synthetic audio recording that impersonated his voice and made racist and anti-Semitic comments. This incident is yet another case of artificial intelligence being used for malicious purposes, raising concerns about the accessibility and potential harm of this rapidly evolving technology. The fake audio clip was created using generative AI, a subset of artificial intelligence that can generate hyper-realistic new images, videos, and audio clips. This technology has become increasingly accessible in recent years, with anyone with an internet connection able to manipulate recorded sounds and images for a few bucks a month. The ease and affordability of this technology have made it possible for anyone to alter information, potentially causing harm and spreading misinformation. In the Maryland incident, the fake recording of the principal's voice was made by Dajung Darian, the athletic director at Pikesville High, The recording contained racist and anti-Semitic comments and was sent in an email to some teachers before spreading on social media. The recording surfaced after the principal raised concerns about the athletic director's work performance and alleged misuse of school funds. The bogus audio forced the principal to go on leave, while police guarded his house, and angry phone calls inundated the school. Hate-filled messages accumulated on social media, causing significant distress and disruption. While many cases of AI-generated disinformation have been audio, other disturbing trends have emerged, such as programs that create fake nude images of clothed people without their consent, including minors. Singer Taylor Swift was recently targeted. Companies that provide AI voice-generating technology prohibit harmful usage of their tools, but self-enforcement varies. Some vendors require a kind of voice signature or ask users to recite a unique set of sentences before a voice can be cloned. However, more needs to be done to regulate this technology and prevent its misuse. One idea is requiring recordings and images to carry a digital watermark, making it possible for software to identify manipulated files. Consumer education and law enforcement action against criminal use of AI are also essential. In conclusion, the Maryland incident highlights the urgent need to regulate and control the use of deepfake technology. While generative AI has the potential to create hyper-realistic new images, videos, and audio clips, it can also be used for malicious purposes, causing harm and spreading misinformation. It is crucial to take action to prevent the misuse of this technology and protect individuals from the potential harm it can cause. Source: www.seattletimes.com